company. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a chair massage tutorial. In this tutorial from Beautiful Vibe Wellness, we're going to show you basic chair massage equipment, cleaning supplies, and also basic body mechanics and how to do chair massage safely. The body mechanics are so important in chair massage events. Sheer volume is one, because when you're doing table massage, you're probably going to do one person for an hour. Maybe have 15-minute break, do another person. But here's the thing, with a chair massage event, you may have 5 people in your chair per hour. So one is the volume. The second is clothing. These people come in, they might be wearing hoodies, they may be wearing a sweater, and they may not be wearing anything appropriate that you can ask to take them off, okay? So you're going to have to compensate for that. For that, you're going to have to use your leverage. Another thing is, now think about this, you have 5 people in a row come in. You're going to be doing repetitive actions over and over again. I don't care how creative you are. And we'll talk about some new techniques. But you're going to do what's familiar to you. You're going to do your routine. And it's going to be at a volume. Have to be very careful of repetitive actions. Now I'm going to cover the very basic, the massage chair. Know that there's so many different styles of massage chairs out there. Mine at home is a little different from Lisa's here. So I'm going to show you how to properly adjust the chair. They're all very universal in that. What is universal is that you need to be, the person in the ear, you need to be comfortably leaning into your person. That should not change. So the chair needs to be at a height that I can just stand upright, lunge stance, one foot in front of the other, and go ahead and lean right in. Everything else can be adjusted. We have the headrest that we can adjust. There's a knob right here, just the angle. And then we also have the armrest that is very universal as well. On this particular one, we have a couple of levels that we could adjust for the person's armrest. Anytime you're at an event, there may be a volume of people. So while your cloth face cradle cover may work for, have a couple handy, 1 or 2 people, that'll work. Not very practical for a chair massage event at a company, maybe at a health fair. You may see up to 4 to 5 people an hour. This is not going to be practical for you. What will be practical? Voila, here we go. Disposable face cradle covers. There we go. You can get them from any company, any brand. You can go online and get them. Every massage company sells them. There you go. Nice cloth. Very, very nice. I'd like to go over some of the cleaning supplies you're going to need, because you definitely want to disinfect the face cradle and any metal pieces that go with it. One of the more common ones and very effective for chair massage events will be disinfectant wipes. Commercial disinfectant wipes you can get from anywhere, but a lot of people these days are chemical conscious. They don't want any chemicals on their fabrics, nor breathing in. You can't blame them. So there's a lot of alternatives today. Go ahead and go online. Do some research about essential oils mixed with distilled water. This happens to be a couple drops of tea tree oil with distilled water. You can mix a little vinegar into it. That's a good alternative. But there's a lot of other essential oils that you can use. Regardless, you do want to store essential oils in an opaque or not a clear bottle. That'll help to preserve the essential oil. Never, of course, apply essential oil directly on the skin. Also, other things you're going to need for a chair massage event. Hand sanitizer. Here again, you can probably get a natural alternative, but here's some good old hand sanitizer. Especially when you start working on somebody's head and neck. That's good to have. And also some massage cream. Perhaps you may want to use it just to, after using the Purell or hand sanitizer, you may want to use it for yourself. or when you're massaging somebody's hands and arms. That's a good alternative for you. So let me give you some logistics about chair massage events. So let's say you're doing an event for yourself to promote your business, your own personal company. You do not need to have an intake form for this, but you should have some sort of disclaimer. A disclaimer stating that this person, your client, gives you permission to work on them, and that they'll let you know if they experience any discomfort during the chair massage, and that they've revealed any medical conditions that may not be appropriate for chair massage. So that's really all you need. And what's really nice is, if you do this yourself, you can put their name, also have their email address, so that way ask them if would like to stay in contact with us, maybe we have specials. Also, it keeps volume in order. So you're assured of taking that person who signed up first and then in order. Now, at formal chair massage events such as companies, health fairs, corporations, what will happen is they'll have a sign-in sheet. So that's all taken care of for you. The actual disclaimer will be handled by the company. Now I'm going to introduce you to my client. Lisa, come on in. Hey Lisa, I'm going to treat you, actually the owner of this lovely place, but I'm going to treat this as if I'm at a corporate event. So how I interact with Lisa, first thing I'm going to make sure is, Lisa, well, I don't know her name yet, but I'm Lori, did you sign in at the counter?
Yes, I did.
Okay, excellent, excellent. Well, I'm going to be your massage therapist.
Fantastic.
Are there any particular areas that are bothering you? Any particular areas that you need to be concerned about? Recent surgeries, anything of that nature?
No recent surgeries.
Okay, great.
Just your typical neck tension.
Okay, wonderful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, of course, put this on here for you. All right. Are you familiar with chair massage?
No, I'm not.
Okay. So what I want you to do is have a seat. I want you to sit in this chair, put your head in that face cradle, and then your knees are going to go right onto the foam pads, and you can bring your head forward. Excellent. First of all, I'm going to need to make some chair adjustments. I want to ask her, Lisa, are you comfortable?
Yes, I am.
You are comfortable. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to raise this armrest. Why? She's like this. I want her shoulders to be comfortable. What I'm going to do, Lisa, I just noticed something. I'm going to raise that armrest a little bit. On this particular one, I just take a lever and I just bring it up. Good. You can rest your arms right. Yeah, there you go. How's that? Is that a little bit better for you?
Perfect.
Okay, excellent. See, they don't know. Well, they don't know what's going on. Okay, I do. So I'm going to adjust this for her. Now, remember, you only have 15, maybe even Mach 10 seconds to do this, but I'm bringing it down for you, okay? Now, if Lisa felt uncomfortable with her knees bent like this, maybe you have somebody who has knee issues and cannot bend their knees like this. That's very common. What I could have Lisa do, a couple options, and you may not like this because you are comfortable. You can bring your legs forward like this, or she can just have them to the side. That's totally fine. Okay, so now you can, however you feel comfortable. Okay, great. Now here's other things. Clothing. So fortunately, this is how people present themselves. They're coming in from their office. They may have a dress on. She may have a dress on. In that case, they may feel self-conscious, so they may want to put their legs forward. In this case, she has a wrap. She has some sort of cover-up. It's very thin. I can work with this. If they're coming in with some sort of sweater or a fleecy, I may ask them to take it off if they can. Her hair. Okay, say, oh, the hair might be an issue. Well, you know what? This is what I do. No problem. It could even be a part of my introduction to her. Now, some therapists have some bands to bring the hair back. Some clients even ask, would you like me to put my hair up? Even with long hair, personally for me, that's a therapist preference. I work with it because I work with just about anything. That's fine. Doesn't bother me. Some therapists might want to have the hair in a ponytail. But I personally like to massage the scalp. So I find a ponytail is a little obstructive for me. So, there you go. So, how's that, Lisa? Is that Lisa likes that. That's real good. So, keep in mind, I dragged this out a little bit, obviously, so you know the logistics. This whole process actually takes 2 seconds. And she's also set up, look, where I can just lean right into her, just like that. You know what? Creaking in the chair is very natural, and it does happen when somebody settles their face or their body into a chair. That'll happen sometimes. So as long as you have everything secure, there's no issue.
Stay tuned for part 2, where I show techniques, do and don'ts, and also a chair massage routine. See you next time.